first fish this year. Well, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in Western Newfoundland. It's the Thursday before May 24 weekend, and me and my buddy Jim with Blasters Country are heading into one of my favorite lakes to do some fishing. Trout fishing season opened yesterday. Never had a chance to get out. It was a bit overcasty and gross weather. So today is warm. I think it's feeling in the mid-teens, and there's hardly any wind. We got the kayaks out. We got a good lunch brought with us, and hopefully we'll have trout for supper. And if not, we got a few special items on the menu to cook. It's gonna be a great video. Stay tuned, and hope you enjoy. Jim, look in the middle of the road, Jim. Yes, sir. First cast of the 2024 season. Well, we couldn't have asked for better conditions. It's absolutely beautiful out. Not a stitch of wind. The water is like a mirror. I never fished this pond this early in the season, but I don't think that there would be any reason why it wouldn't be good as it is in the middle of the season. So we're holding out here now, and we're hoping that we get a few trout out of it. And if not, we're gonna have a good lunch. So that's what I'm excited for. Frog. Man, it's absolutely beautiful out. You hear lake bottlenecks almost into this little river into the next steady, and that's where we want to head. I'll show you guys.
Beautiful spot.
It is.
Can't beat it out on kayak. So
No, man.
go anywhere, right?
No luck yet, but we're gonna keep trying. See if we can see what we get to find where they're at. A few times I fished this pond, I've noticed that the trout do seem to school up. Could be the same reason now, but we're hopefully, fingers crossed, we're gonna get one. Alright, we're at the end of the lake. There's a beaver dam here. You got some job done. Looks like an old beaver dam. Yeah, there's some dry ground there. Beaver shoot by the looks of it.
I'm hungry.
You hungry? Man, it's a frog paradise here, though.
Think about the kayak. You stay in the center.
Yes, sir.
Right? There you go.
We're here just off of this old beaver dam over here in the woods, and we're gonna have a delicious lunch. And one of us is cooking, and I think the other one of us, me, might try my luck fishing. Down below this beaver dam is a few pools, and I might just try my luck there, see if there's any fish. What do you think, Jim? The lunch sound okay?
What?
The lunch sound okay?
Just past supper time.
Yes, sir. Well, Jim texted me earlier and said we got a treat for appetizer, and I didn't have a clue what he had up his sleeve. Sure enough,
There you go.
mussels. We're gonna put them on there now as appetizer. Jim got the drone up in flight.
Really good.
Well, the appetizers are ready. So we're gonna dig on in, caveman style.
Caveman style, right on the grass.
Pretty good.
Not bad. If you're here by yourself, it's actually not a bad spot to pitch your tent.
No. Mm.
Good, man, good. Water's boiled. Cracking. I'm sure it's gonna be good. Oh no.
Got my fire maple orange lantern here. It's gonna get dark here soon, so this year is gonna be nice and romantic. Me and Jim with the candle going. If you want something just like this, go on Fire Maple's website. You can use code Andrew10 and get yourself 10% off purchase. It's pretty neat, especially out in the woods and whatnot. And as it gets darkish, just bring this little light on, and you got light and heat. Cup of tea. All right, boys, we got some moose meat craft dinner. Ground moose craft dinner. Moose lash.
Moolash.
Moolash. I don't think this is a first, but it's probably a first on this pond, so.
What do you think?
Mmm,
Not bad, eh?
I tell ya.
Not bad, buddy.
Well, boys, we just finished a delicious, what do we call it, moose lash?
Moolash.
Moose, ground moose in craft dinner, and it was different, but it was good. So if you haven't tried it before and you're wanting to mix up craft dinner night, throw a bit of ground moose in it. We're gonna get ready now and pack up. It's getting a bit duckish, and we like to do a little bit more fishing on the way back, see if we can get a trout. But it's been an absolutely beautiful evening. No wind. You couldn't ask for a better day, except I guess if the fish were biting. But you know what? Take it on stride. A lot more days to fish yet. we're gonna try a little bit down the pond and then head back before it gets too dark. Woo! There you go, guys. First fish this year. We was all day trying different spots of the lake, and we said, hey, it's getting dark, let's head up to the deep end. And I cast over here by a few rocks, and I felt a hit a couple times. I wasn't sure, and I let him play with it if he wanted it. And right before he got to the boat, bang-o. So I'm gonna dispatch him real quick, and we got one trout anyway. Alright, boys, it's getting a bit dark now, so rather than go too dark, I think we might head out. It's been a great day, great evening, beautiful, beautiful weather, delicious lunch, and a trout to top it all off. So I'm not asking for no limit. All I want is one in the pan with some flour and scrunchions, and I got it. So oh, short is going ashore.
Trying to catch me an ant.
This is the stuff that YouTube don't see. Alright, guys, well, we're back up to the truck. I got me a little catch of the day here, and we're getting ready to load up the vessels. It's a great video. Glad we got this one fish and made it all worth it, and we're gonna head out now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click like, subscribe, hit the bell, see when I upload next, and we'll catch you on the next one. Say subscribe, Mr. Trout. Oh, you can't talk.